Omugambirizi wa poliisi wa Rwenzori East ASP Elimate yashobora kubashangira omubiri gw'omushaija gunagirwa faamu ya Rutagarama Paul. Faamu egi neshangwa omuri Umoja Nyamwamba Division aha nsharo ya River Nyamwamba. Okurugiirira aha kucunduuza kwa poliisi nyakwitwa abaasa kuba ayisirwe abantu abatwariire amateeka omu ngaro. ASP Elimate yajumirire ekikoro eki eky'okutwarira amateeka omu ngaro hakugira ngu abantu baingi bafiire ahabw'okushanga nk'emishango nk'egi omu district kandi batiine mishango.
It must have been a mob injustice incident, and we suspect this person was trying to steal. All that is coming out, and they badly, lynching a person badly injured, critically to the level of death. It's very bad.
Omushango gwa kabiri n'ogwo kufa kwa Kabugo Sechez ow'emyaka 19 omutura wa Rusese omuri Bwera obire n'okora nk'omukozi omu maka ga Kibirige Isa ow'omu Kamai Bawolowa Central Division Kasese Municipality. Okurugiirira ASP Mate omushango ogwo gubireho shayina z'ekiro nikwo kujumirira okweyita okweyongiire omu minyeeto.
6 at around 10 p.m. where one Kabugo Sachese is a born of Rusese in Bwera, and she has been working in Kamaiba in Kibirige Isa's home as a maid. She had been there for about 6 months, and they are saying she was so good in whatever she was doing.
Bira Medrin obiroroho nagira ngo omukazi ogwo ashangirwa afiire aha muryango gw'enju kandi bitakabireho abiranyigire atakwenda kugamba n'omuntu.
Nandia kanga kwamche kola chikondia mpo yara ikanyita kanga kwamche subukwa TV ngingi kale nganga singalinga hikukwa TV ngaka isehika no masalangire chitusu chinaho namakwentia injono berebet obutebinyiko kwechini ngamasera halya ngamaleke muhika kuhakuhi.
Abatura bayireko kushasha bakugira ngo basigara omukikangabo abo kuferwa omwana mutonko ogwo.
Kirabuka yafunye byamunyiziza byetutamanyi kubanga tebitegeka mbu omwala abadde musirise nnyo. Abadde musirise nnyo. Tako barakola investigation kati ngaba abasirikale ngeje babisoma.
Ngasaba bamama ababuti nabatata indi abana batuwite tubateko komutima tubya nabo ne bana betu omwana omalangira eshemberesi wasisita byandeke ewaminyo tukamwitekako ewatata wa mama ewa muburi omamurenge obolobolo oti mama tata kasinga talangire eshemberesha umunabiri sisita byandeke nyibire kireko mutima wawe.
ASP Elimate yahabura eminyeeto okwehara okweyita n'obarabe mbarabo mu mbeera zigumire bashaba obuhwezi.
I want to condemn this act, and I call on our people that committing suicide or taking your own life doesn't solve anything. We all have issues, we have all challenges, but what is very important is you either share with the others to help you out or you seek.
Imbiri y'abarugiro magara gensi atwarwa hirwaro ya Kasese Municipality area health center ya Kashatu okucondozubwa ekisira abantu aba. Amakuru aga gashakwa Mate Isaac omuri Kasese.